Welcome to another episode of Shogun MindBombs, a series of relationship techniques based on the famous Shogun Method by Derek Rake. Today's Shogun MindBomb is about a simple tactic which you can use to make a woman like you instantly. Like everything inside Shogun Method, it's based on scientific mind control and hypnosis, and so you'll know that it works effectively well if done properly. This technique is known as the Chance Meeting Sequence and is part of the set of Shogun Sequences enslavement tools that you should already know. Learn this sequence and you'll have the hypnotic powers over any woman you want. It's pretty powerful. Are you ready to learn what the Chance Meeting Sequence is? Yes? Okay then, let's go. If you are a Shogun, then you should already know about the IRA model. As with everything inside Shogun Method, you start with the first stage, generating intrigue. In the Chance Meeting Sequence, you generate intrigue by doing value elicitation on her. When your conversation touches on love, dating, or relationships, ask her a question like, so what qualities are important for you in a boyfriend? What's your ideal relationship like? Questions like these elicit her values when it comes to love, dating, and relationships. She might answer, well, my ideal relationship is one where he and I are doing our own things. We have our own careers, passions, social lives, but at the end of the day, we come home to each other. To which you might do more value elicitation and ask, something tells me none of the guys you're dating fits the bill. And she might say, none. The last guy I dated was almost great, but he got terribly insecure whenever I went on a trip for work or with my friends. He told me it was because he loved me, and I believed him, but I don't know why I felt turned off by it. When you've elicited enough of her values, the second step, the hypnotic trance, comes in. Here, you anchor her good values to yourself and the bad values to other guys. For instance, you can say, I think I know why you got turned on. I mean, every smart woman wants a strong, stable guy. And as you're saying it, you motion your hand towards you, as though anchoring the feelings of strength and stability to yourself. Then you continue, but your guy showed you he was weaker than you. He showed how he could be so easily rattled by just one woman. I think that's why he got turned on. I think most women will be turned on by guys like that. And as you're saying that, you motion your hand away from yourself, anchoring the feelings of weakness and insecurity to other guys. You continue until she well and truly sees you as a good guy, and is hinting about dating each other. Then the third step comes in. You follow up with the fractionation technique. Simple, right? So there you have it, a summary of how to use the Chance Meeting Sequence to make any woman like you immediately. When done right, the Chance Meeting Sequence can make any woman fall in love with you right on your first date. Believe me, these Shogun sequences work like magic, and the more sequences you know, the better you will be at women and relationships. And they are pretty simple to use if you use them frequently. Practice is key. If you like this video, scroll down and click the like button. And for more mind control attraction tactics, sign up at https://fractionationhypnosis.com or click the link in the video description below.